everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I just washed my hair and y'all see my curl pattern. So now I'm putting this heat protective spray in my hair so my curl pattern won't mess up. I'm putting it all in my hair. Now I'm just sectioning my hair and then I'm going to detangle it with a big comb. Make sure when you detangle, you start from your ends first. Don't start at the top. Now it's time to blow dry. When you blow dry, make sure you pull your ends down first and then blow dry so it can stretch the hair out. So I bought this brush in the previous video at Z Outlet and I'm going to use it to blow dry. The key to having straight hair is to blow dry your hair real good. Try to get it straightened as much as you can with the hair dryer so it won't be a hassle when you do it with the flat irons. I basically do the same thing throughout my whole head. I part my section first. I detangle it with the comb. I stretch my hair out and then I blow dry it and then blow dry it with the brush. So my hair is almost finished. Y'all see all this hair on my head? So now that I'm finished blow drying my hair, I'm using this silk serum that I got from Shanae, Hair by Shanae. The link will be in the description box and I'm going to put this all over my hair. I just put a dime size in my hand and put it all over my hair and it smells so good. I put another dime size just in case. I also added some more heat protective spray just to be safe, on the safe side. So this is all the hair that came out my head. It's not a lot, so that's good. So right now I'm just sectioning my hair first. Then I'm going to comb through it. I'm using this small flat iron. I think it's titanium, and I'm sliding it through. It didn't work, so I end up getting a comb and using a comb to help me flat iron it, and it did good. So I'm basically doing the same thing throughout my whole head. I'm parting my section, then I'm gonna flat iron it, and then flat iron it with a comb. I also use this big flat iron. It didn't have no name on it, but I'm using it. I basically repeat the steps throughout my whole head. I flat iron it, then I flat iron it with a comb. Then I get the other flat iron and flat iron it with a comb. Make sure it's super straight. So after I flat iron all of my hair, I'm gonna go back and flat iron it. This is how it looks so far. So now I'm just going back over it and parting my section and flat ironing it, but making sure it has curls at the end of it. I just like curls, I'm sorry. So this is how my hair looks before I wrap it. I really like it. I can wear my hair just like this and be fine with it. So this is the next morning. I wrapped my hair last night and I took my scarf and stuff off. So now I'm just unraveling it with this wide tooth comb. And do y'all see how long my hair is? I'm very pleased. Like, this is the first time I did a real good silk press to my hair. I can bump it a little to make it look better, but I really love this hair growth.